Today, we are going to know about human voice. Safely hidden away in the larynx lies a marvelous sound producing instrument, the voice box. Air enters through the nasal passages, then down into the windpipe, and then to the lungs. Observe how the air is entering through the nasal cavity to the windpipe and vice versa. Here, the shown passage is called the food passage or gullet. Here, the flap-like cartilage that is shown is the epiglottis. When we are eating something, this is the process that is going to take place. The epiglottis serves as a trapdoor to prevent food from passing into the windpipe. Watch the epiglottis. These are vocal cords which are helpful to produce sound. The laryngoscope, a combination of mirrors, makes it possible to view the voice box in its hiding place. While the doctor lights the way, let us take a trip down throat lane and view the vocal cords at close range. Stretched across the voice box are two folds of tissue with a tiny space between them. These little folds are the vocal cords. In ordinary breathing, the glottis becomes a little wider on each intake and a little narrower on each expiration of breath. Air forced from the lungs strikes against the vocal cords, vibrates them, and produces sound. In the production of a high tone, the vocal cords are stretched tightly while they relax with the low tones. The shorter and tighter the chords, the higher the tones produced. Women and boys have higher pitched voices than men because their vocal cords are shorter. The space enclosed by the mouth, nose, and throat forms the resonance chamber, which modulates and refines the sound. This ever-changing space is called the resonator. Here is a note: the change of the resonance space when different vowels and consonants are pronounced, like E, A, O, B, D, F, K, L, M, V, 2, Fa, Sol, La, Si, Do, Good. Bye.